Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to sing with a vibrato voice. This is an easy way to teach yourself how to sing. Now the vibrato or vibrato voice is basically the voice that you hear when it sort of goes up and down. It's sort of a typical singing voice. I'm going to sing, it sounds something like this, okay? So just be prepared. I'm not the best singer in the world, but I'm going to explain how to do this specific type of voice. So listen up. So if you notice there, I went fast, very fast, okay? Just like that. So I'm going to tell you how to do that. It's actually not that hard. Believe it or not, I'm not a great singer, as you can probably tell, but I do consider myself to be decent, and I taught myself how to make that little humming sound, that vibrato sound, and it just makes you sound so much better, right? It makes you sound so much more grand when you sing. So with that being said, this is how it's done. You're going to basically be moving a semitone up and down, okay? So you're going to pick a note, and you're going to go semitone up, and then that note. So, and you can get a piano and just go one note up, not necessarily a full note, a semitone up, and go back and forth and see what it sounds like, okay? So it'd be just like that. Now, how you actually achieve that is you start off by practicing by going and then you want to achieve that in reality by using your middle section of your body parts. So I'm going to just move this a little bit further down. Now what I like to do is I essentially flex my abs. So if you notice when you flex your core muscles, go like this, flex, and you can actually, if you flex hard enough, you can sort of feel yourself almost shaking or vibrating. And that's because your core muscles are just going like this, really, when you flex them hard. So if you hold a note and then you flex your core muscles, you're going to get a little bit of that vibrato sound. So just like this. So I was holding a note and then I flexed my muscles. And you almost get that sound by doing just that. But then what you want to do is flex those muscles halfway and flex almost like the part of your body that the voice comes out of. I don't know what it is physically, I can't describe it, but it's when you talk, when you speak, you're forcing the air and the sound out of your mouth through that specific muscle, okay? So what you want to do is flex that muscle too. So add your abs, but not your abs like to the point where you're shaking, just your abs a little bit, and then flex that muscle. So, and then you want to just try and hit it just for a second. Just like that. I'm flexing those muscles. And then what you want to do is do the same thing, but really belt it out, okay? Because the best way to learn how to do this type of singing voice is to go hardcore, loud singing, and then you can learn how to do it much softer. So go loud, right? Just like that, okay? My wife is upstairs probably wondering, what is this guy doing downstairs in the basement? I'll tell you right now, I didn't warn her that I was going to do this video, so for sure she's wondering what is going on down here. I'm going to have to explain this after, but that's a side note. Anyways, she likes my voice. She's not going to complain, but I'm going to have to explain what was going on. So when you've learned how to do it loudly, you're going to have to tone it down a bit. So I'll show you. We're going to go from loud and I'm going to bring it down. When you learn how to bring it down, then you can learn how to sing a little bit quieter, just like that. So you can practice doing it. Start by going loud. Start with no control. And then you want to learn to control it. It's like learning how to ride a bike, but then you learn how to control it. So you're learning to sing loudly with the vibrato or vibrato sound, but then you're toning it down and you're controlling that beast, okay? That's it. That's how to do it. You can teach yourself how to sing really easily. Just follow the steps and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.